It's too late now. You can't recapture it. Jesus.
Dangerous.
I don't. Nothing really matters when it's snow like this.
So it's like 34. 35.
It's more than that. It's like 37,
Like
38. Yeah. 39.
37.
39.
No, 37.
It's closer to 4.
Well, how's that 5,000?
It's close to about 4,500.
Well, you got like. Now it's 45? How much vig we talking here? What's the juice, bro?
Juice is the little, like, crumbs and stuff that falls off.
It's the best.
Yeah.
That's when it gets stuck.
Nice ain't gonna get stuck.
I like snow.
Well, I mean, whatever. I don't like it. Like, if you had to get out right now and pull apart.
Yeah.
That's okay.
I mean, I can shovel snow and shit, huh?
That's good.
In what way?
Yeah.
You just bob me?
I don't know.
These new wipers on this car.
Yeah, I know. Now's a
Smashing.
bad time to go wiper, huh?
Yeah.
Juice off the dick.
Do what I have.
Nah, it's alright.
Hey, yeah. Smoke it.
No, because now we'll be in trouble. Then I'll have to get you some.
I know. That's where the juice comes in, bro. Where's Bob putting this on? Back to that's down.
White thing. It's not that bad. It's alright. It's not that bad. It's just right back here.
On the red?
No, on the white.
Nobody can see it.
You can see it. What do you mean you can't see it? It's right there. Ain't that bad. Where at? You put it up here, just have bird shit all over it. Oh, hold on here. Got my third in command needs some. Yeah.
I'm going to ship a couple of Cobalt A arms to Pittsburgh.
Actual control arms?
Yeah. Control arms.
Yeah, I would tell him $40. That'd be fair enough.
Each.
I guarantee he'll tell him 65.
This juice ain't gonna get set.
He'll go back in and be like, guy said $65 for shipping. They ask me like I know. Like, oh, Pittsburgh. Yeah, that's about a $40 one
So
there.
where's the pie at, Bob?
Yeah, no crap. Ain't no
Come
way.
on.
You think I asked them how much it
Sand.
costs to ship something?
You're supposed to be. You're saying you got 40% of this pie, and you don't know.
That's the Dance the Minute song.
I'd send that phony man and just weed the shit out of this.
No. Ain't no way, man.
How's the time?
No. The way to do that is to constantly be moving back here, beating it down and killing it. That's the way to do it. Well, I mean, you could have homeboy do it instead of. First off, if you got in on time every day and left on time, you'd have an extra
2 hours.
extra 10 hours a week. I think you're an hour late every day. That's 6 hours right there. Then take a 3-4 hour lunch.
Come up front 7 times.
5 hour lunch.
lights on. What do you got against that side?
I've already went down it once, man.
Not all the way over.
Yeah, I
No,
did.
you didn't. Haven't went all the way.
Well, we'll just see if there's tracks there.
You want to make a dollar wager?
Not really, no.
Who buys lunch?
Not the person who bought yesterday.
That's neither of us then.
That was me.
And me.
I paid for it.
Yeah, but I paid 20.
You couldn't have paid 20. Because if Tony gave
It
you
was
10.
$57 or $47.
Okay. Okay.
He gave me 9 or 8. No, 9, because I gave him $1 back. I ate the shrimp, so that was $1.
Fish.
Where's some sharks at?
Can't see him because the windshield's so messed up. The
wind.
windshield's jacked up.
Gotcha.
You can see it right there.
Oh, no.
There's
It's
the
right.
tracks. Look, it's easier to look out the back. You can see out the back. See him?
Oh, shit.
Yeah. You can see him through there.
Holy shit, fire.
There. It's done. I'm done with it. Blast ass. Did you get it stuck? Yeah. Yeah. She's stuck. Let's go plowing through the building. Like, Alvin, get in. We need a fender.
Pack your shit!
Need a fender stat. Come on, boss.
Go buy a Trailblazer and we'll steal the windshield wipers.
Nah. No, it's way too cold. Way too nasty.